What is SecureGas?
SecureGas, Securing the European Gas Network, is a research innovation project co-funded by the European Commission in the Horizon 2020 program, under the topic Prevention, Detection, Response and Mitigation of Physical and Cyber Threats to European Infrastructure. The project total cost is €9 million, with an EC contribution of around €7 million. SecureGas started in June 2019 and ends in November 2021. It is a consortium made of 22 partners from 10 European countries plus Israel, involving large energy and gas companies, engineering and consulting firms, large companies providing security solutions, small and medium enterprise providing advanced solutions, academic and research institutions, and finally associations in the sector dealing with policy and stakeholders engagement.
What are the project objectives and what challenges the project has tackled?
SecureGas' objective is to increase security and resilience of the European gas critical infrastructure, network and installation to physical and cyber threats, covering the entire value chain of the gas supply from downstream to midstream up to upstream, from production to distribution to the final user. In terms of physical threats, the number are significant and mapped since the 1970s by the European Gas Pipeline Incident Data Group. On the contrary, if we look at cyber threats, the numbers are low but growing in the last year, with significant impact on business and services continuity. More in depth, SecureGas proposes an innovative resilience-based management approach, which is a systemic approach integrating prevention, preparedness, response and mitigation measures to make gas assets and infrastructure more resilient to current and emerging risks. This has been demonstrated and validated in 3 business cases in Italy, Greece and Lithuania.
There are many partners in the project. How did you manage to reach a common and shared technical solution?
Several qualified partners brought into the project products and technologies that we call components. We managed precisely 12 components: drones for patrolling and leaks detection, technology based on fiber optic cables to detect TPI, video analytics to recognize people and vehicles, probes to detect threats on the SCADA network, tool to assess landslide stability along pipeline routes, gas network simulation software, command and control station, and so on. These components have been improved and adapted to address the objective to increase protection and resilience of gas infrastructures. The challenge was how these components can work together in a synergistic way. The answer is the SecureGas architecture. The SecureGas architecture is the framework in which each component takes on a specific functional role. Some components have the role to detect threats and events. Other components correlate events. Others provide situational awareness, support decision-making, and share information with authorities if an incident occurs. Through the SecureGas architecture, components can interact effectively, providing a more protection than each single component can do.
It seems a complex solution. How can end user effectively exploit SecureGas?
The modularity and the scalability of the SecureGas architecture allows end user to exploit selectively only the function and the services they need, as demonstrated by the business case with our 3 end users. Each business case leader, EDA and EPA in Greece, Amber Grid in Lithuania and ENI in Italy, expressed their specific requirements. Then, the technical partners involved in each business case tailored the architecture in terms of function and services to be used in order to meet their specific requirements, successfully performing the pilot execution.
The Italian business case in SecureGas project shows several features which have characterized a successfully application on gas pipeline scenario. Which objectives have been achieved in this business case?
In particular, the Italian business case has been carried out on Chivasso Aosta gas pipeline, 16-inch internal diameter, long 100 km, in northwest Italy, managed by Eni Logistic Department, and providing a trail on May and June 2021. The aim of the Italian business case has been to test the technology solutions developed by the partners, Eni, RINA, LEONARDO, ADPM, in real full-scale conditions related to the gas pipeline, which represent an industrial application for SecureGas project.
In the full-scale application, several scenarios have been designed for demonstrating the SecureGas architecture. Which cyber-physical threat scenarios have been carried out?
Different cyber-physical critical situation has been defined and applied during the Eni pilot test to validate the result and evaluate the KPIs performances of the SecureGas solution to combine security and resilience improvement for the midstream gas critical infrastructure. In the Italian business case, three main scenarios has been investigated. The first scenario is related to the third-party interferences, for example, dent and gouge by digging operation of the pipe, and the gas leakage which can occur along the pressurized pipeline. The second scenario is the attack to the SCADA network and the physical event along the pipeline routing. The third scenario is the geohazard due to meteorological event, for example, strong rainfalls, which can activate changes in the environmental surrounding the gas infrastructure.
What results have you achieved?
SecureGas conceptual model, a blueprint on how to design, build, operate and maintain the EU gas network to make it secure and resilient against cyber and physical threats. SecureGas high-level reference architecture, a framework for the implementation, integration, interoperability of SecureGas components. Then a set of advanced components covering situational awareness, decision support, information management, risk and resilience management, customized, deployed, demonstrated and validated in the three project business cases. A cost-benefit analysis to assess the benefit and the impact in the three business cases. SecureGas white paper providing lesson learning guidelines for operators and policy makers to make gas infrastructure more secure and resilient to physical and cyber threats, in line with the current and upcoming regulatory framework.
What is SecureGas heritage?
SecureGas will provide a long-lasting impact since its business cases have been designed by the end user in the consortium, so that to ensure that requirements, architectures, models and solutions are highly applicable and replicable in the gas sector. Moreover, SecureGas has been conceived as a modular solution that fit the needs of small and large energy operators across the whole supply chain, addressing a wide variety of scenarios, use cases and threats. Finally, SecureGas technical solutions have been validated against key performance indicators to ensure replicability, scalability and market uptake. All these results are aiming to be used by SecureGas end user and stakeholders that are gas infrastructure operators, energy companies and governmental entities in charge of energy security at national and European level.